An interesting thing that you can do is you can turn something as simple as a supermarket box into your own personalized animation studio. And how this is accomplished is all you have to do is just cut a small little square hole just right at the top, then a large triangular base, so then you can slot in something like a book to support and also guide where the phone camera will be. And with your phone, you want to use your phone lens just right there, slot it right at the top, and then from there on, you can get right into animating.
Start by downloading the free stop motion app on your phone. Once you have done that, you can start making your animation. First, set the speed for your stop motion animation to 12 frames per second. Then you can make a floor plan to help you understand how the speed works. There we're using a triangle for characters dance, but you can do whatever you like as your floor plan. In the beginning, start slow, so use smaller gaps between the movements, then accelerate, making larger gaps between the movements. Place your floor plan under the banana box and taper down.